This is the identity shift. And this is almost key to most parts of your life, almost to any part of your life. And this is why I think, in using this simple example, why identity is so important and why we focus so much on identity. If you tell your subconscious mind, your nervous system, or whatever, your soul, that you are not it yet, per definition, you are actually far from it, and now you need to do something to go and get it. So if you do not believe you are Dad's beloved child yet, you would start thinking that you need to do stuff to become his beloved child. I need to pray more, I need to tithe more, I need to give more, I need to go to church more. So you start doing all of these things, and then this gap is what you call religion. That is religion, doing to get, because religion states like, you are not it yet, you have to do something to become it.